Wolverine as a GOAT envisions Wolverine's iconic traits and abilities, such as his claws and healing factor, embodied within the form of a goat, resulting in a unique and unexpected combination of fierce agility and indomitable resilience. Thor as a goat portrays the mighty Thor, the god of thunder, transformed into a goat, blending his thunder's powers with the adorable and mischievous nature of a goat, creating a whimsical fusion of strength and playfulness. Hulk as a goat depicts the Hulk, known for his incredible strength and ferocity, transformed into a goat, resulting in a compact but incredibly powerful and uncontrollable force, capable of unleashing incredible bursts of energy within a small, boisterous package. Batman as a goat portrays the iconic Dark Knight as a stealthy and agile creature, utilizing his sharp intellect and resourcefulness in the pursuit of justice, blending the mysterious aura of Batman with the mischievous charm of a goat, creating a unique and intriguing fusion of vigilante hero and playful animal. Wonder Woman as a goat envisions the courageous and powerful Wonder Woman transformed into a goat, embodying her unwavering determination and compassion in a small but fierce and graceful form, symbolizing the strength and resilience that can be found in unexpected places. Captain America as a goat portrays the embodiment of patriotism, honor, and unwavering determination transformed into a noble and resilient goat, symbolizing the spirit of freedom and justice in a charming and unexpected form.